Ayan, sugpo. Kain tayo mga palangga. Masarap to. Ang lalaki. Malalaki sila. Diba? Alina kayo, kain tayo. Kain tayo. Kain tayo mga palangga. Ang sarap nito. Hi. Kain na tayo. Sugpo. Ang lalaki nila. Kaya do you want to eat shrimp with mommy?
Yeah.
Yeah?
We want to eat watermelon.
Okay. No chair for me? Mmm. Delicious.
That eyeball.
It is Hawaii-bowl, huh?
That game one.
Mm.
You like it?
I do love it.
No.
Medyo madikit siya. Ayan.
For me too.
Mmm.
For,
Ang sarap. Oh my gosh.
for me too, mommy.
You want some?
No. I may want that. Too yucky. Last time we tasted that bad.
You want to try just a little one inside?
No.
Okay. Mm.
Mommy, Deacon.
Mm-hmm.
Deacon. Deacon, mommy.
Chicken? What chicken?
Deacon.
That's the skin.
Deacon, okay?
Mm-hmm. You want me to eat the skin?
Yeah.
No.
Right now. Please, not right now, mommy. Please, right now. April Fool.
I gotta eat properly. Pancake.
Oh, I have who?
Mhm.
Hello.
Tira kanina yung almusal.
Ah, ah. I mean, more watermelon.
Mm.
Deacon part now.
Mhm. Sarap ng taba ng ulo.
Deep part now, mommy.
Mhm. Ang sarap nito sa sinigang pagka ganyang mataba ang ulo.
More watermelon.
Mhm. Do you want to get fork so that you can eat it by yourself because mommy's hand is spicy, you know.
Okay.
Okay.
Need my knife.
Ayan, may katabi pa akong monster truck. Diba?
Mommy, me one tiny fork.
Okay. Ayan guys, ang laki. Mhm.
Sup, sup. Me was it? Are you?
Yeah. Sarap. Makananay itong anak ko eh. Gusto lagi katabi eh. Samang kumain. Ayan, sarap.
Beep, 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 beep.
Sorry.
Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep.
Ang sarap mga palangga. Maanghang-anghang na matamis-tamis kasi nilagyan ko ng
Yeah,
pineapple.
rock
Tapos, sili. Nakakamis, diba? Yung nakita ko kahapon. Go, go, go na. Sarap.
Beep, beep.
What is that, baby?
Shillow.
Share the love.
Kay Rachel.
Diba? Mas masarap kasi yung ano, mas masarap kasi yung ganitong may balat, di ba? Pag ako kumakain, walang masayang dito. Ilan na to sila? 10 lang yata to eh. Ay, niluto ko. Kasi ang dami nila. Kasi pag niluto ko lahat, mauubos ko naman. Kaso lang, sobra-sobra na. Kahit marami kasi uubusin ko. Diba? Ganyan. Smile. Smile. Ang sarap ng salsa. Ang dami pa doon eh. See? 2, 4, 6, 7. Tatlo pa lang nakain ko, tapos 7 yung naiwan. So, 10 lang ito. Diba? 10 lang, busog. 10 piraso, busog na ako nito pag naubos ko. Sarap mga palangga. Maanghang. Nakakalimutan mo ang pangalan mo pagka natikman mo to. Oh my gosh. Laglag pa sa ano sa lamit. Nakakamiss ang sugpo. Sugpo mga palangga. Kahit nahihirapan na ako, basta nakakandong lang siya, okay na yan. Diba? Kahit nakakandong, basta nakalamon, go lang. Lamon, lamon, lamon. Ano ba ang sekreto para hindi madikit yung ano, yung balat? Natarap ba yun? Kasi minsan, di ba, siguro nasubahan ko ng luto. Gusto ko kasing lutong-luto eh. Ay, hindi naman sobrang lutong-luto. Kasi pagka ano, may allergy ako, kaso lang, masarap. Masarap talaga. Pagka mga ganitong pagkain kasi, kahit araw-araw ganito yung kainin ko, okay lang. Diba? Smile. Walala. Kamay ko ang daming ano, Daming sili. Mm.
One, two, three.
Mm-hmm. Napakasarap. Are you falling down?
We want that.
You want that? Right.
Oh.
Pag kumakain ka ng hipon, sugpo, whatever you call it, mas masarap pag nakakamay. You wanna try some of that? No?
We want to try that and that.
Oh yeah?
My,
No?
my velcro. Done now.
Ooh.
And now we have spicy days.
This one is not spicy.
And the- You have to shove.
What? Put it down, baby.
Let me see.
I'm gonna get more sauce.
That's so much.
Is it so much? Yan, maraming sili. Sarap. Oh, hanghang. Sarap. Maanghang, matamis. Masarap. Sabi ng anak ko, may mata pa. Talaga may mata, may ulo pa, di ba? Yum, yum, yum.
Oh, why so cool? Why so cool? Why have eyeball?
What's that?
Why have so cool? Why have eyeball?
Because I don't know. They need their eyes to swim in the water, in the ocean.
Oh.
Can you
Yeah.
stop squirming because I don't want you to fall down.
Me want to stay.
Okay, are you going? Bite one more pancake then. Ayan. Ayan. Kain pa more. Medyo mahirap siyang balatan, no? Kasi pag sa sinigang, di ba, ang bilis ng balatan. Pero gusto ko tong part nito eh. Alam mo kung bakit? Nandun yung lasa. Ika. Ayan. Ang liit ng ano. Tinidor na kinuha ng baby ko. Delicious, guys. Ayan, maraming sili. Sarap magkamay. Whew. Sarap. Ting sarap ka rin ba ng sugpo? Ganun. Anghang pero masarap. Kapag ganito ka kumain, malalasap mo ang tunay na sarap ng sugpo. Tama ba? Sa mga mahilig sa sugpo dyan. Diba? Ganito yan ang pagkain. Masarap pagkakasama yung mga galamay. Oh! Ang daming sili. niya. Hmm. Ganito yan. Ito pagkain, guys. Mm. Mm. Sarap. Mm. Doon kumakapit kasi yung sarsa. Ang sarap. Oo, madikit yung balat niya. Parang ano, parang balat ko. Dikit na dikit. Sayang. Ayan, galamay na tira. Sarap kasi niyan eh. Okay. Excuse me. May luya, bawang, sibuyas. Okay, baby. Tapos, paminta, asin, pineapple juice. Yun lang. Bell pepper. Simple lang, di ba? Delicious. Finger looking good. Busog na ako. May natira pang dalawa. Kakainin ko pa rin kasi. Wala namang ibang kakain. Ako lang. Diba? Ang taba guys, oh. Oh. Delicious. Malasang ulo. Sobrang malasa. Ayan. Sabi nila, hipon daw hindi kinakatira. Kain katawan, tira ulo. Sila yon. Ako, pati ulo kinakain ko. Kaya ako nga sinadyang bumili ng kasamang ulo. Tsaka, alam mo guys, mahirap makatagpo ng ano, ng sugpo na kasama ang ulo. Laging wala ng ulo. Saan kayo nilalagay yung ulo? Siguro tinitira nila yun kasi mas masarap. Di ba? What in the world? This is delicious. Do you want the spicy sauce?
Sure. Yeah, not too much. Not too much. That's enough. Because my stomach.
Yeah, you're not gonna eat this thing. That's fine. How is it? This is the first time that I see the big shrimp. Oh, what you call it? Prawns that have heads. So, like, let's get it. You want more? You good?
I better take it easy.
What?
I better take it easy. Today's the first day that my stomach has been good. I don't want it to.
Okay. I put the other in the freezer so that I can use it for sinigang or something like that.
Most of my back is good. There's just one spot in the hip,
Sorry.
but my upper back feels great. I think those exercises, my YouTube guy, there's one in particular. My back like cracked last night when I did it, and it's been loose ever since. I do it twice a day. It's tough. But hamstrings being tight is a problem. They're just so tight. Might have to beg you to stretch me again later.
Okay.
Because that keeps the pressure off the lower half.
Okay.
It'd probably be fine if I hadn't had to take that study and take that test all morning. That was like 4 hours or something, and nothing.
Sorry.
That test was ridiculously hard.
Sorry.
Fine.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you.